Wow, na-travel na kami. Ano kaya to? Para, kailan mo si ano? Si Mimis girl. Kamukha niya yung babae dito sa ano, photo na yun. Eh. Male. Normal. Hindi ko pa alam eh. Ay, hindi ko napindot. North Hitchcage? Hitcage. It was a summer break. I decided to go to a gaming concert. Oh shit, ang bilis. Dad, why did you tell your plane? I thought it's too expensive. I'm kinda broke right now. Then how are you? Ay wow, daming ano chat, huwag ka nabasahin. Ay, skip ko lang pala yun. I was running out of the gas. Shit, hindi na tayo. Ah, okay. Ito. Gusto ko si Chiri yan. Ha? Ano yan? Ito yung tinuturo niya eh. Ay, kuha ko na. Dalawa. Ito na, oy. Ito na, oy. Ito na. Uy. Ang tagal oh. Uy, ito na oh. Uy, ito na. Oh shit. Okay, here you go. Also, I never see a pretty lady before. Lady? Sino lady? Sure, I never seen. Oh, I'm just going home on this highway. Dot. Bakit hindi pa rin yung to kinakuha? Tara, nakakuha natin to. Tara.
Good news. Walang pagtaas sa
Kita mo tong dala ko?
A clown walked into a bank to rob it. At the door, an old security guard said, "Bank's closed, brother. Come back tomorrow." The clown instantly pulled out a pistol and showed a jacket.
Yeah, people have gone missing down here, there. The people who went looking, the police way say the Norwood ghost torn them into pieces.
Forced to act, he fired 2 shots into the ceiling.
That can be true, lol.
Everyone
Cool
dropped to the floor and
rumor,
the
people
manager
believe in
immediately pressed the
anywhere.
alarm. The clown
Cool
handed the
rumor,
bag to the cashier
people
and said,
believe
"Fill this
in
with cash."
anything.
Just then, one
No
man
way,
said, "Give me my
nowadays.
receipt first." Calmly, the clown replied, "Give him his
Well,
receipt
you can
first,
sign
then
up.
fill the bag."
Have a
After that,
good
he locked all
day,
the customers inside the
ma'am.
vault. Meanwhile, the police surrounded the bank from every side.
Sana
The clown
tayo,
made the
hindi
manager
kita
call the
mahanap.
police chief and threatened him by showing the bomb jacket.
Akala ba
His
tara na?
demands, a gas-filled bus, a Harley bike, a monster
Umiikot
truck,
pa rin
and 2
siya.
helicopters. In return, he started releasing one
Tara na ba?
hostage at a time. Inside the
Tara na.
vault, chaos had broken out. Some people were crying, while others were praying. Suddenly, one huge man got so nervous that he
Tara
spread
na.
a horrible smell everywhere. Everyone started yelling.
Sana pala di na lang ako pumasok, sumakay na lang
The police
ako.
outside were watching the whole scene like a show. After a while, one woman stood up angrily and shouted,
Sige, sa bubong na lang ako.
Quickly, the clown
Sige, mag-drive ka na.
showed his bomb jacket. Terrified, the others pushed that
Ay,
woman
Fluel.
inside themselves. Along with her, a curly-haired man also also came
Ano ba ulit?
outside. The police chief was starting to think everything was finally under his control. A clown walked into a bank to
Okay.
rob it. At the door, an old security
to?
guard said,
She probably did not realize it.
I am your mom. I was really
Ayun, okay na.
Bro never understanding what he said.
Ay nga, nakita ko.
The home starts
May
with
van.
care. Protect you.
Game. Saan? Nakaano ko na? Kunyari may kanya-kanya story. Dalawa ata yung ano, propeller, ayun. My car broke down. Sira yung car. Ano gagawin natin? Ano gagawin? So anong gagawin na? 1:30 PM. Meron akong to. Uy, pangit. Tara, sakya tayo sa akin.
Wala mong tao eh. Loko mo ba ako? Meron tayo.
Paano tayo mag-ano? Gano yan? Tok. You're the girl who from the gas stop. What are you doing here? Hey again. Ano ba? My car broke down. Please help. Yan. My car broke down. Please help. Oh my god. Ano yan? Palit ulit? Ayos yung mukha na ito. Where are you heading to? Just up to the road. Mag-hotel kami. To the nearest motel here, where I can find help. Hurry up, get your bags. Asan bag namin?
That's a dead woman.
Okay, dali na ako na. Ay, get bags. Get bags.
You out of your
Ang dami.
Someone's probably turned this woman into this.
Dami.
Look at her. She's dead.
Kuha mo?
Did you throw that woman in here?
Ikaw na kumuha.
Oh my god.
Di ko makuha. Ay, only. Ikaw na. Di ko makuha. Seryoso? Only two I can dala. Ay, o nga pala. Dito pala. Sorry. Bobo. Ano ba to?
Oh my god.
Yan. Bilisan mo. Ito. Yan, no. Buhatin mo yan. Tagatulong. Ay, tara na. Tara na. Pasok na tayo. Pumasok ka na? So you're not gonna tell me where are you going? I was driving home. Ay, okay. Ay, so ako pala. Jeff the killer. Huh? Jeff.
This is an abandoned sea.
My name is Jason. I'm Jellypogi. Ang pogi naman nun. Sino si Jellypogi?
It is all stagnant and also has
Can you remove those logs from the road, please? Sure thing. Okay, but don't leave me behind. Sige, tara. Kunin natin yung pesting logs. Ang tamad naman eh ito kasi. Tayo pa pinagawa. Remove the logs daw. Ako. Remove the logs. Ay, sige. Ganun lang pala. Ay, ihawakan lang daw. Ha? Okay. Ay, click lang siya. I-click. Ay, puta. Sorry.
Sa kapila.
God, ganito.
Second one, I'm really fine.
Pa tayo?
Ask closely if I get his back.
Pa tayo?
Ako na lang.
That's sick. But I bet you wish the Timmy's kissing in the background.
Ay, sige, ano na lang natin? Ano ba yun? Hindi ma-roll?
You want to go?
Yun. Okay na, gets ko na. Tara.
Yeah, you did. You did.
Wala na yun!
His reaction.
Sira ulo yun. Okay, I'm back. You are one brave woman.
Can he go to jail for this? Potentially, but
Do you have any idea how happened to your car back there?
about why
No, I don't know.
to protect himself and save his life, and because they weren't even letting him off the damn train.
What do you think about what the gas station guy told you?
Can he go to jail for this?
He really carried me up. What do you think about the ghost? I haven't seen it myself, but things happen. I'm sure your car breaking down is one of them. I don't wanna sound like the idiot, but I just remember, don't trust nobody. Oh, he's dinner. I'm sorry. I'm not the best with people. No worries, it's fine. Yeah, you don't act weird sometimes. You and get and fuck yourself. Fuck yourself. Be careful. There's will all sorts of people out there. Thank you, God.
Nakikita ko.
Ha?
Nakikita ko lang. Tanggalin mo kasi ng item na
Okay.
nakikita ko.
Do you want to choose a number between one?
Hindi ko kita. Sige, ayaw mo na. Uy, punta daw tayo dito sa ano, saan ba to? Motel. Punta tayo sa motel. Kasi sinabi ko eh. Okay. Hello. Pinitong yawa. Talk. Girl, do you need a room?
7 at 7.
Yes, yes. I'm just here for a few hours too.
Awa. Hours.
Pay cash. Room number 3, right cross the lobby. Number 3 right cross to the lobby. Saan tayo?
Namatay ako.
Namatay ka? Uy, number 3. Room 3. Dito. Ay, 313. My car broke down. Nasaan ka na?
Hindi na ako pagbayad.
Kaya mo na huwag na babayad. Inanap ko yung room natin.
Thank you na ako.
Okay, 11, 10, 9. Inanap ko yung room. 7, 6, 5. Andito na ako. Ay, andito na pala.
Hindi yung multo eh.
Nasaan? Nasaan yung multo? Paano mo na nasabi nandun yung multo? Ano meron na naman dito? Uy! Cola. Bottle. $1. Okay.
Blueberry bottle.
Ako, Coca-Cola. Kukula. Pero in fairness, maganda yung game. Maganda yung game. Maganda yung game, oh my god. Di nga lang makatalon.
Nakakabattle pre.
Game. Hala, ano yun? Nag-glitch, may glitch. Nasaan yung room?
Ice hotel.
Lock na natin agad. Tara. Please, lock mo. Wow. Ano to, may baril? May baril.
Yay!
Para kunin yung baril, kailangan mo magbayad ng 39 pesos.
Go to back.
Break. My teammate just
Oh my god, you scared me. Look,
snorkeling.
taragis na to, ang daming ginagawa mo dyan.
The south side.
Lock mo nga yan. Lock mo.
Sniper on the south side of the compound with all the drugs.
Lock mo na yan.
Fuck, dude. That's the room.
Ba't kasi kailangan pa magbayad dito?
What's up?
Okay na po, makakalis na po kayo. Pangit nyo po. La, nilak! Uy! Ay, meron something dito. Ano ba to? Labas-pasok? Oh, shit me. Bakit kasi isa na lang kasi? Ba't kasi pa labas-labas pa? Alam ba yung creator na napapagod ako? Ala, okay. Ay, nakuha mo na. Saan na?
You should take it outside. Here, yeah? So be careful. No, don't do it.
English yung ilaw eh, no?
Because you will fly, yeah. See, one finger on the button, one finger. Yeah, one finger.
Shit, believe it lang, hindi mo. Okay. Pado na tayo TV. Don't worry, I get with your car.
Can I just take one bite? Dude, I swear, every single day we just go.
Be careful, I saw some things out there. Hindi ko makita chat. I-turn on ko yung radyo. Hindi ko ma-turn on. What is wrong with these people? Who are you talking about? Hoy, meron akong kausap. Kidnapper are in this town. Ano meron? Huwag mugsan. Kidnapper in this town? Sarado mo yan.
May pumapali sa hotel.
But don't worry again, it's safe here. Ba't niya alam about doon sa kidnapper? Pero, what do I do if I get in trouble?
Boy.
Bakit? Uy, stay lang tayo. Ikaw ba to?
Dairy Queen closes in 10
Wala, kasama ko yung pangit, oh.
Looking for your daughter's...
Uy, kasama ko yung pangit. Uy, saan ka? Lock ko nga tong pangit na to. Hala! Ay, shit, bubo. Nagulat ako sa'yo. Asan ka? Uy, nasan ka? Sa lobby? Ba't ako gumigiwan pag naglalakad? Akala ko ba umalis ka?
Ano ba?
Nasa bahay na ulit. Nawala na yung pangit.
Saan ba?
Nasa room 3. Merong wanted. Ayun dyan. Ikaw ba yan?
Tingin ako. Tingin ako. Ako na.
Nakaano ko.
Ako.
Ay shit. Wala, nawala na ako. Eto.
Nasaan ako?
Ayun na. Ikaw ba yan? Ano ba to? Dapat ka dito. Maria Parker. Female. Hindi, ay ano pala. Yung babae. Tulog daw tayo, tulog. Tara. Ay, okay. 12 a.m.
I just want to let you know that your tire's flat.
Okay. Uy, meron tao. Told me there was.
Yes, I have a pencil. I have about 50 of them, but I would rather die than waste one on you because you probably wouldn't know what to do with it. You're an idiot. You know what kind of idiot comes to school with that pencil? Oh wait, that's you. You know what? You probably need to be punished for this. Teacher, he doesn't have a pencil.
I don't give a fuck.
Ano na naman yan?
Random gets down. Why do I always
Gabi pa, ba't di pa umaga?
exactly why I hate random queuing because they suck in when they have no mind.
You shut your you trying to relax and play a game, you know, and no one shut up. God damn, you have to be such a
Hold on, what did you just call?
I called you a now get out Rico Carter leave the
Say
game.
it again.
Hot. Espresso. Ay, wow, sarap.
Hindi ka alam lasa reso. Lasa.
Binili ko rin yung espresso. Gusto ko sana ano yun.
Lasa ng kape.
Kape. Kape pa rin. Pero ibang flavor ata. Jumper. Kina-jumpscare kita. Pinipindot kita eh. Dad, may nag-text. Tara. Ha? Heard nga eh.
He wants us to cut through our feet.
Nakainamata ako, nakasabo ako.
Bullshit.
Shit, ano ba to? Tara. Ay, shit. Putragis na yun.
Doon tulog sa loob.
2:30 a.m. Ano yun? Gabi pa rin? Ay, close. Hey, it's me, Tammy. Open the door. Wait it out. Lang, ano yan? Alam mo, para siya yung kidnapper. Huwag natin siya trust. Are you okay now? Your eyes are red. I don't know what's going on. The expression is say, why are you making goofy sound? Sir, this hot. Ano ba to? Daming inaano nito. May tama ba to? We got may bayad. I guess I'm crazy 1 year. I hate this job. Alis ka na. Ba't mo pa sinasabi sa akin? Meron something doon. Go to the coffee machine. 10%. Charge ka? Show me the coffee machine. Where is it? Ano ba tong Apple na to? Ano ba to? Ang pangit niya ingat. Angas ah. See-through ah. Show me the show. Here. It was right here. Bulag ka ba? I can find it. Go back to room and don't come out. It was kills near the TV. It will help you. Tangin na ko, ba't mo sinasabi? Andyan na yung mama. Andyan na yung van. Andito na yung van. Hindi ko alam kung nandito pa rin si Josh. Wala na si Josh. Oh my god. Nakita ko na yung van. May binigay siyang pill sa akin. Pangpalaki ng dede. Yes, guys.
Window. Batangas.
Umalis ka na. Umalis ka na.
Yan naman. Wait mo na siya.
Uy, pinapalabas yung ano, Stranger Things. Wow. Putragis na ano yun. Pwede ba change channel? Aldab naman. The pills blocked me out again. This time I fell on the bed. 3 a.m.
Hindi ko ayaw pa ng restaurant masyado.
Pero hindi na. Shit, nandito na siya. Tinuloy ko siya. Tinuloy ko lang. Nanonood pa rin ako ng Stranger Things. Hindi. Ano lang siya, move poster lang. Matawag yung tatay ko. Hindi ko mag-indot. Dad. Nakalagay. Ano nang gagawin ko? Ano nang gagawin ko? I have you. I have you just open the door. Oh fuck, nandito siya sa bintana.
But for some reason, after just 2 lines,
I know you're in there. What do you want? Oh my, I just want to talk to you. Get out of here, weirdo.
wait for their reaction.
Pretty lady,
How many people have you killed?
come on, or
Are you gay?
come on, or I will get you. Shit, Kogi,
This one might be gay.
don't open.
14. Wow, so young. How many people
Ay.
did you shove up your ass? Jack, how did...
Tumutugtog yung ano. Shit. Hide in the closet. Ay, sige, closet nga to, diba? Closet ba, diba? Shit. Hide lang yung closet. Oh, fuck. Malapit na yun. Ang bubo. Ubi. Pumasok na siya, gabi. Wala kang makikita. If ever, hindi ako nagtago dyan, if ever. Wala kasama na yun. I really wish my life that day. Thank you, Tom. I went home on airplane. My dad doesn't know about this story again. I never gone on long trip again. Good evening. Tom Award before it was too late. You escaped the kidnapper, but you will never drink anything from Ivy. Huh? Okay na. Natapos ko na. If you like this video, thumbs up and bye. That's na. Ipopost ko na yun. Bye-bye. Next time na naman.